Hi, I'm Lee Teschler with EE World and Design World, and I'm here with Mark Adams from CUI. CUI has come up with a switch for data centers that kind of helps make better use of an unused power source. And Mark's going to tell us a little bit about it. So Mark, exactly what is it that we have here behind us?
Yeah, so this is the second product in our software-defined power platform for the data center. So last year we talked about a peak shaving device that, when added, allows better utilization of the power infrastructure and the over-partitioning, reduces the over-partitioning of the power. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to allow data centers to capitalize and take advantage of as much power as they can that comes into the data center. So our next product is what's called the ICE switch. The first one is the ICE block, the next one is the ICE switch. And the ICE switch, what the theory is that you have an A feed and a B feed that comes into the data center. Well, everything works off of A, and when A fails, everything switches to B. B is an untapped source. It's sitting there in case. There is a substantial amount of application in a data center that's an N, so it doesn't need the 2N application. Wouldn't it be great if you could take that N and move it to the B? So that's what this does. This allows those N applications to work off of the B feed, and then in the event that the A feed goes down, it shuts everything off in a priority level on the B, and everything on A moves over. So if it's 20% of the N that used to be on the A, now you have 20% more that you can take advantage of with 2N applications.
So does the data center operator make the decision on what's going to operate on A and B, or how does that decide?
Yeah, absolutely. So the data center, through the GUI, through our partner Virtual Power Systems, it's an intelligent system. So what they do is they set up the priorities so that the data center operator sets up the priorities. So maybe there's enough power left even after A moves over to B that a couple of the N applications can still work. So that allows them, through the priority level that they set, to say, okay, here's the 8 racks that are N, here's an order that they get shut off. So again, it's all the intelligence in the software to allow the complete flexibility of that, but you're really now being able to capitalize on that power source that's coming into the building that up until now hasn't been able to be used.
Interesting. What are the capacity limits on the switches?
So there really isn't any capacity limits. So we see these as putting one per rack. This has been out there for a while. We've had some trials recently at the Open Compute show, so the OCP that Facebook does. Intel talked about this product and partnering with Virtual Power Systems, and it'll be moved into their rack scale design architecture. So it's already been tested by them, and they see incredible value to their customer base being able to take advantage of the ICE block and the ICE switch to capitalize on the power and maximizing the usage of that power.
Yeah, that's interesting technology, Mark. Thank you.
Absolutely.